Hey beauties, it's me Cassie and we are back again with another video. For this video, we are celebrating something so beautiful, a big milestone in your life. It is graduation. I am going to be teaching you how to achieve this look, because what better way to mark your graduation with than looking absolutely beautiful and radiant on your big day. So why don't we just go ahead and get started. Let's go! So the first step is priming your face and of course moisturizing it, making it ready for your makeup. Now that our face is ready to put on some makeup, it's already primed and moisturized, let's start with the base. What I like to do is just one layer of makeup, so I put all my cream products first. I go from lightest to darkest so it'd be easier. So I start with some concealer. I like to put the concealer in any dark spots that I have. Next, I move on to some foundation. The foundation that I use is actually just some BB cream from Nishido, right here. And it's just for everyday wear and it's very light, so I just use my hand for this one. And now we have our foundation or baby cream on. Now I'll go with the blush next. 2 little dots there since it is very red. And the next thing we have is our bronzer. And now that we have all of our cream products here on our face, we can now mix it. But of course, first we need some setting mist or spray, whatever you have there, just so we can easily blend it more. Now that we are done with the base, now we're gonna do some eyeshadow. I actually really like to do the eyeshadow first. So what I'm gonna use is this from Intuit, Poppin eyeshadow. It's like this, so if you ever want to buy one of these, you could just get it. I have some items from Intuit, and I really like them, especially the red lipstick I got. But first of all, let's just get on with the eye makeup first. Now I put these first before I put my eyeshadow so that I could like shape them and it wouldn't be that messy. So I'm gonna take some of this. Next, after that, this is actually just a matte one. I'm gonna put a sparkly one. This one in the middle. Next, I put on some lighter color. I'll just put on some of these. This one. Now for the inner part, I will just take some of this from BLK Cosmetics. This is a liquid eyeshadow, and I only put a little of it since I really like to see this one. It's one of my favorite to use. I've used this during my prom and for my graduation too. And really just for any special events. There we go, it's absolutely beautiful. I absolutely love it. And I just love using it. It's so pigmented and oh my gosh, just look at that. It's so beautiful. Now that we're done with the eyeshadow, we are just gonna go ahead and blend it. I have here my blender. I'll just put some of this first. Blend it out. Oof, that's so shiny. Then the other side. Now that it's all done and blended, we're just gonna go ahead and take it right off and look at that. That is sharp. And I think there's a bit of a fallout there, so I just like kind of clean it up with some concealer like always. And now it's very clean and neat. And just to go back to our face for some final touches, I like to take my little brush here and put on some Vice Cosmetics highlighter. It's really, really good. Very shiny and pigmented. So I've been using it for so long. Take it here. Oof, that is so shiny. Here. I don't know if you can see the color. It's so shiny. And then I take here and here. Now let's go ahead and do our eyeliner and our falsies. Okay, now that we are moving on to the eyeliner. So for the eyeliner, I try to keep it not that long, but it's a ring liner. I'll just show you guys. So first I start here. There we go. Now on to the next. And there we have our eyeliner. It really brings up the eyes, doesn't it? Next up is some false eyelashes, and really they bring up and like complete the whole eye makeup look. And we have here some from Glad King. I'm gonna be using the volume one. I actually would prefer some natural eyelashes right now. That's what I used during my graduation, but I am out of some natural falsies. But this would do nicely. My table is literally so messy right now, even though I just cleaned it up. Here we have our Cheetah one. I like to keep it in this package. It's very small. I am out of the ones that I usually use. I'm just gonna measure it to my eyes right now. So now we have one side on. It really just completes it, doesn't it? And now we're just gonna do the other side. And there it is. It just really completes it. It looks, I don't know how it looks. I think it looks good. What do you guys think? But anyways, there we are. Now let's complete this whole look with some lipstick. So what I'm gonna be using is this Revlon Color Stay Over Time. So it's actually a duo. It's a liquid lipstick and it's also a lip gloss. So this is in the shade Endless Spice, and apparently it stays for like 16 hours. And to attest to that, it's like stayed a really long time by the time I've used it. So okay. And I'm also going to use the lip gloss. After this dries, and it's very quick to dry, really. And there you go, it's already dried. And there we go, that is the final step. And there you have it, guys. This is our final look. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something, and I hope you take this makeup look as your own for your graduation. I really hope you like this. I hope you guys enjoy this. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on this post notification bell so you can't miss any of my other videos. Anyways, once again, congratulations to all the graduates out there. I hope you had a very, very good school year, and I hope you had a very relaxing summer. Love you guys. Thank you for watching this video.